Good day, everyone, or good morning, everyone. Let me ask you something. Have you ever opened your social media and suddenly felt like you are behind in life? You see someone getting a high grade, someone traveling, someone start a new business, and someone more confident and successful. And then you look at yourself and think, why I'm not there yet? So today, I want to share one important idea. Stop comparing yourself to others. Start improving yourself. Some people succeed early, some people succeed later. Some people move fast, some move slow, but moving slow does not mean you are failing. It just means you are growing at your own pace. Think about this. A flower and a tree do not grow at the same speed, but both grow. Both are valuable. Both have their own time to shine. Second, comparison steals your focus. When you focus too much on others, you lose focus on your own progress. Instead of asking, how can I improve? You start asking, why am not like them? Why am not like them? That question does not help you grow. It only creates stress and doubt. Your energy should go to your goals, your skills, and your effort. The only person you need to compete with is the person you were yesterday. So, what should we do instead? Focus on your growth, set your own goals, improve one skill at a time, celebrate small progress. If you get better at one subject, that is success. If you become more confident speaking in class, that is success. If you try again after failing, that is success. Real growth is quiet. It happens slow, but it is powerful. You only need to keep moving forward. So today, I challenge you. Instead of comparing, start preparing. Instead of feeling jealous, start learning. Run at your own race, move at your own pace, and trust your own growth because your story is still being written. So that's all. Thank you, everyone.